Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you the concept of G parameters. G parameters are also called as inverse hybrid parameters. This is the two-port network with input port 11 dash and with output port 22 dash. Input port variables are V1, I1 and output port variables are V2 and I2. G parameter equations of a two-port network are defined as I1 equal to G11 V1 plus G12 I2. V2 equal to G21 V1 plus G22 I2. Matrix representation for the above equations is given by I1 V2. This is the column matrix. G11 G12 G21 G22 V1 I2. If you multiply these two matrices and equating with the left hand side, we'll get the above equations. Let us define each and every parameter now. I1 equal to G11 V1 plus G12 I2. V2 equal to G21 V1 plus G22 I2. I can write here G11 equal to, from the first equation, I1 divided by V1 when I2 equal to 0. G12 equal to I1 by I2 when V1 equal to 0. From second equation, we can write G21 equal to V2 by V1 when I2 equal to 0 and G22 equal to V2 by I2 when V1 equal to 0. G11 is defined as, here the condition is I2 equal to 0. So we'll write it as open circuit, and it is the ratio of port 1 variable to port 1 variable. So we can write it as input, ratio is I by V, admittance. So G11 is defined as open circuit input admittance. Next, G12. Here condition is V equal to 0 or V1 equal to 0. That means short circuit, and here ratio is input to output variable. So this is reverse, and here both are currents, current to current ratio. So we can write it as current gain. G12 is defined as short circuit reverse current gain. Next, G21. Condition is I equal to 0. We'll start with open circuit. Ratio is port 2 to port 1 variable ratio. So forward, and here voltage to voltage ratio, voltage gain. G21 is defined as open circuit forward voltage gain. G22. Condition is V1 equal to 0. So short circuit. Ratio is port 2 to port 2 variable to port 2 variable. So output, and we have here V by I. V by I is impedance. So G22 is defined as short circuit output impedance. This is how we can define G parameters. That's all about G parameters. Thank you.